Hello my lovelies! You've probably noticed that I'm not doing Vlogmas on my channel this year. There's nothing to do, everything is closed, and I just thought it would be really boring for you. But I am, however, doing Blogmas. So if you go over to my website, which I will put a link down below, to donnaderosa.com, I am posting to my blog every day in December. I'll be sharing Christmas cheer with some recipes, some DIY projects, some decorating tips, all kinds of things related to the holidays and Christmas. So I think that you will enjoy it. So again, I'll put a link down below to where you can go. And I also have a special announcement. I have started a second YouTube channel, and it's called Meditate and Chill. Now I know a lot of you come to my channel because you enjoy my meditations, especially my mermaid meditations. So I'm not removing them from this channel, but I'm starting to copy them over to this new channel along with some of my music playlists, like the one that is playing in the background here today. This is my winter chill mix, that I think you will enjoy. And any new meditations or any new music videos that I create, I'm going to be uploading to that new channel, Meditate and Chill, and I will put a link to that down below. So if you want to, please go and subscribe. So that is all my news for today. I'll be posting in a few days with some holiday recipes, so stay tuned and enjoy your holiday season. I hope you get into the spirit, and I'll see you soon. Buon Natale!